Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something special. Everyone's enjoying Animal Crossing these days, so I'm gonna enjoy Animal Crossing with my makeup. I decided to do a rabbit. That rabbit is called Tiffany and Bazude in Japanese. She has the same birthday with me, January 9th actually, and she has really angled eyebrows and she's kinda showgirl, rock and roll kind of rabbit, so yeah, why not? So let's see how I'm gonna turn into Tiffany. Guys, the accident happened. I thought I was filming myself, but the recording was stopped. Okay, then I'm gonna use this color to blend. And I'm gonna add some navy. And I'm gonna put this black on the edge of eyeshadow. And I'm gonna draw some crease with black right here. I clean up my eye socket with a lighter tone of concealer. I blend this gap with light purple. Fill the gap. Blend. Just blend. Eyeliner time. Now I'm gonna draw my eyebrows. I'm gonna add a little bit of white between the eyebrows and the eyeshadow. I want a little more black, so this palette. Eyelashes. Oh my god. Okay, this time I'm gonna mix these three colors. I'm gonna use this one and mixing medium as usual. Put this primer on your eye socket. I don't see. I don't really see because of the eyelashes. girl, this is everything. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna add some this bluish, pinkish, white color down here. Check time. I'm gonna use this pink. I think I kinda like it. I'm gonna add some highlight on the cupid bowl. I use MAC lipstick for my lip. The color is hot pepper. I'm going to add pink on the middle. Okay, the makeup is done. Hi, I'm Tiffany, aka BUTAIYA in Japan. If you like this video, hit like button. If you have a request, write a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.